Mayong adlaw mga kaibigan! Kami ang Wondering Kusina. Ako si Chokoy.
Ako si Mark.
Mga ka-wonders, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for.
After 3 years.
More than 3
More
years.
than 3 years.
Going 4 years. So mga ka-wonders, we have already informed you that we have finally reached our 100,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And natanggap na po namin ang pinaka-aasam-asam na YouTube Silver Button. Yung YouTube silver button natin has arrived. I'm so excited. Andito na yung delivery guy. Yan, tingnan natin sa labas. Nandiyan na siya sa labas. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is almost 4 years of hard work just to reach to 100,000K and to reach and to get this silver button. So, buksan natin. Here it is! Yeah!
A few moments later.
So, eto na. Hindi pa namin to freshly delivered today. Hindi pa namin binuksan. So, we are going to open it together. And together with us right now, nasa background, nasa likod ng camera, are our nieces, si Kaylee at saka si Hanika. They're so excited to witness this moment. So, now, buksan na natin. Yan. Yan. Okay siya?
Okay. Ito lang ang bubuksan nila.
Yan.
Yun.
Yun.
Go.
Ready ng lahat?
1, 2, 3.
Black box pa. There's a foam. Okay. Then,
Yo. Oh, meron pa
yan.
silang sulat.
May pasulat si Mayor. Yan. Look at that. I'm going to read it for everyone. So this is the letter from the YouTube. Tapos may card. And what does the card say?
Congratulations.
It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." Thank you, Rick. Thank you very much. Kung sino ka man. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. Yan. Tapos may signature or logo ng Society Award. So, yan. And the letter. Ito naman yung letter, mga ka-wonders. This is the letter. So I will read it out.
Dear Charo.
Okay. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. And we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Woods Kitchi.
Kitki.
Yeah, Wuj Kitchi.
Kitchina.
Yeah, Wuj Siki. Okay, thanks, Miss Susan.
CEO.
She is the CEO of YouTube. So mga ka-wonders, finally, this is our silver button.
Ang bigat.
Wait, wait, wait.
Ang bigat.
Mabigat. Oh my God, it's like gold. It's like metal. Ta-da! Thank you guys. Thank you very much. And this also comes along with that one. Yes.
Yes, recognize your team.
Yes. So we can actually reproduce this if we have a lot of team members, and the second one that we are going to request would be payable. So now it says here, mga ka-wonders, as you can see it,
Wondering.
presented to Wondering
Kusina
Kusina for passing 100,000 subscribers. There you have it, mga ka-wonders. Thank you very much. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Daghan kaayong salamat. So, I would like to take this moment na magbinisaya. Daghan kayong salamat sa tanang mga ning suporta sa amua, especially itong mga Bisaya nga nagtanaw sa among YouTube channel at nag-subscribe. Yung mga kasilinganan namo o akong mga kaparintihan nga who has been supporting us from day one. Daghan kayong salamat sa akong family, who has been our very number one supporters namin, mga fan who believe in us. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyo ha. And to all my colleagues, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta namin sa amin when we decided to come up with this YouTube channel and with the kind of content that we are making here. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to everyone out there all over the world, who especially sa mga top 3 natin and just beyond the top 3, yung mga taga-United States, thank you very much. At saka lahat ng mga Filipinos and non-Filipinos who have been supporting us here in the United Arab Emirates, especially dito sa Abu Dhabi kung saan kami based, and sa lahat na nandyan din sa Dubai and all over each emirate dito sa UAE. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Ikaw naman,
Yes.
Chef Mark.
So ako naman, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga taga Pampanga, lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan, mga classmate, family, and friends. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta na walang sawa sa panonood sa aming mga videos. Para sa inyo rin to.
Yes.
And sana continue yung support ninyo sa amin. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much to God who's been supporting us, who has been guiding us, who's been our backbone, who's been giving us the strength, the perseverance. Yeah, the perseverance. Thank you very much, and thank you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. As you know how we started with just using a mobile phone, yung Samsung ko pa na telepono. And we've bought our first camera, which we are still using up to now. Talagang yung journey natin as a content creator was very memorable. They are all very memorable. So to Kaylee and Hanika, thank you very much for being on our videos. Thank you very much, ladies, cute ladies, to my nieces. And guys, para po to sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Finally, we've got our silver button.
Yes, mapapalitan na yung sa likod natin na
Yes.
chopping board.
Yung chopping board. Yes, shout out kay Dax. Dax, who has been a very good friend. She's the first one who, she is actually one of those who believed in us, strongly believed in us. Dax, we haven't seen each other for a very long time. Siya yung nag-sponsor nitong chopping board na to. Can the chopping board be seen? Full? Okay. Yeah. Siya ang nag-sponsor ng chopping board na yan, and thank you very much.
Yes.
So, eto, mapapalitan na, Dax, yung chopping board natin. And eto na yung ipapalit namin sa likod. So, mga ka-wonders, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, and we are still growing. So, we are beyond 100,000 subscribers now, and we are looking forward to once again celebrate our 1 million subscriber.
Yes.
So, kailangan pala natin tingnan kung sino yung 100,000 subscriber natin, no? Oo, kailangan natin pasalamatan yung pang 100,000 natin. So, mga ka-wonders, once again, daghan kay salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much. So, We offer this award sa lahat ng mga supporters, subscribers, friends,
Viewers.
lahat ng mga viewers natin, kung hindi man kayo nag-subscribe, maraming pa rin salamat at mag-subscribe na kayo. And to all our family, friends, and relatives na sumusuporta sa amin, thank you very much. So, eto muna, display na namin to dito sa aming backdrop.
Kita ba?
Can it be seen? Full? No? It's cut? It's cut? Okay. It's cut, so later na lang. So, here. Everyone can see it? Yan. So, kami po ang Wandering Kusina, nagsasabi at nagre-remind po sa lahat na stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.